Hey there! Ready to say goodbye to your problems? Let's dive into the transformative power of meditation with some super simple techniques perfect for beginners. Trust me, you'll be surprised at how easy and effective they are. First things first, find a comfortable, quiet spot where you won't be interrupted. Sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Now, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Focus on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to how your breath feels. It's all about mindfulness and staying present. Next, give a body scan a try. This is such a great way to connect with yourself. Slowly move your attention from your toes up to your head, noticing any tension and relaxing each part as you go. It's like giving yourself a mental massage. Another fantastic technique is guided meditation. There are plenty of apps and videos out there that can lead you through a relaxing session. Just find one that resonates with you and give it a go. It's an easy way to get started, especially if you're feeling a bit uncertain. Let's recap those key points. Find a quiet spot, focus on your breath, do a body scan, and consider guided meditation. These techniques can really help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. So, take a few minutes each day to practice. You'll notice the benefits in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life. Happy meditating!